Alright, today I'm doing a bike check on my United Recruit rn1 2010. Alright, here we go. I got Mission React back hub with an alienation black sheep outer wall. Now I got a Mission Echo front hub with a alienation black sheep outer wall. Got the purple Sputnik chain and the Shadow Conspiracy screen disc and the white Stolen Mob crank and the Stephen Hamilton pedals. And I got the stolen C-post. C-clamp, sorry. And I got the Sabrosa seat. I got the Sabrosa Pandora forks. Got the Sabrosa V3 fork, sorry. And I got a stolen Convict stem. And some Sabrosa handlebars. And some Shadow Conspiracy grips. Alright, fuck you and bye.